Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 says, write the equation of a line parallel to y equals 3x minus 7 and passing through the point -1, 5. So to write the equation of a line, we can use the point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 equals slope times x minus x sub 1. In the point slope form, we need to know a point and a slope in order to write the equation of a line. The point is given in the problem as -1, 5, and we want to write the equation of a line parallel to the line y equals 3x minus 7. The line given, y equals 3x minus 7, is already in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. All parallel lines have the same slope, but different y-intercepts. So I know that the slope of the line given is 3, and any line parallel to that is also 3. So I'm going to use the point -1, 5 and a slope of 3 in my point slope form. So y minus the y-coordinate of 5 equals the slope of any line parallel to the given line is 3 times x minus from the formula, and the x-coordinate itself is -1. Remember, dash dash means plus, and now I can write the equation of the line that passes through that point that's parallel to the given line. So y minus 5 equals distributive property. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now all I have to do is solve for y by adding 5 to both sides. -5 plus 5 is 0. 0 plus y is y. 3x plus nothing is 3x, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So the line passing through the point -1, 5 that's parallel to the given line would be y equals 3x plus 8.